Renting an apartment in your business name involves additional considerations compared to renting as an individual. Here's a guide. Legal structure. Ensure your business is legally structured to enter into lease agreements. Common structures include LLCs, corporations, or sole proprietorships. Business credit check. Landlords may perform a credit check on your business. Establish and maintain a good business credit score by paying bills on time and managing finances responsibly. Business bank account. Maintain a separate business bank account. Landlords often prefer tenants with a dedicated business account for financial transactions. Business documentation. Prepare necessary business documentation, including the certificate of formation, articles of incorporation, and an EIN number. Personal guarantee. Be prepared to provide a personal guarantee. Landlords may request this if your business is relatively new or has a limited credit history. Commercial lease agreement. Use a commercial lease agreement tailored for business rentals. This document outlines the terms and conditions specific to business tenancies. Proof of financial stability. Provide evidence of your business's financial stability. This could include bank statements, profit and loss statements, and references from business partners or clients. Insurance. Consider obtaining business liability insurance. Some landlords may require this as part of the leasing agreement. Negotiate lease terms. Work with the landlord to negotiate favorable lease terms that accommodate your business needs. This may include provisions for modifications or specific business requirements. Compliance with zoning laws. Ensure that your business activities comply with local zoning laws and regulations, as these can impact your ability to lease a particular space.